Hi there, sixth graders. Mr. Kerr here as we are getting into week 5. So thanks for popping on this video to take a look at week 5. And first thing I want to mention is that hopefully you're watching this on Monday, the 16th. This week is technically a 4-day week. Friday is considered a student non-contact day, which what that means is you don't have to log in and work on Friday. So the schedule for the week is set up Monday through Thursday. Of course, everything is eventually due Sunday night, but your suggested schedule is set up Monday through Thursday, and all of your work is adjusted for that. Okay, so that's the first thing to just so you know that's going on. So as we get into the new week, and we'll take a look at week 5 here, just a couple of things I want to remind you that you should be doing on a weekly and a couple of cases more than a weekly basis, at least a couple, maybe 3 times a week, is go into your grade book, check your grades, look at all of your assignments, look at, and in there is where you will see my feedback to you on any assignment that you've turned in that has been graded. If you have any questions at all about that, please let me know, but that's something you should be doing. You should, of course, be going in and checking your messages up here on a daily basis. You should be checking your email and your text messages on a daily basis as well. One other thing then, remember that the Start Here folder is here. And if you ever get stuck, you're not sure what to do, this is a great place to go back. First of all, remember those first 4 intro assignments you did when we called it week 0? Those are up here, and anytime you want, you can always go back to the orientation discussion and take a look at that. Also, this folder, Tips, Tricks, and Student Resources, look at all the stuff that's in here. Google Docs, tech tips from Mr. Self, graphing help, helpful documents, all of that stuff is in here. So if you're ever stuck on anything, try and figure it out yourself first. And then if you still have questions, then certainly come talk to your teachers. But remember, grade books, materials updates, watching these weekly videos and everything. Oh, there we go. Tips, tricks, and student resources. Okay, great. So week 5, as I mentioned, and here's everything laid out for you. I do want you to go through in this order, except the one thing is that it will say, you'll see this week 5 Mayan building quiz. I would like you to take this quiz as a pre-quiz, a pre-test on Monday morning before you go through anything else. Take this quiz. You're not going to know the answer to everything. That's okay. Just take it, do the best you can, but take notes as to what the important information is for the week. Okay? So do that on Monday. On Thursday, so either Wednesday night or Thursday, remember this is a shortened week, I will open the quiz up again that you can take it a second and third time. You should have completed your other assignments by then, and you can go back in and you will get 100%. Everyone should get 100% on these weekly quizzes, because you take it once as a pretest just to see what's going on and get some information up front, and then you take it again later in the week and get 100% on it. Okay, so you'll go through here. We do have a vocab assignment, and here's how I want you to do it. When we do vocab in this class, 3 things you're going to take. So this is an example. This is not your word. This is an example. Sassafras. You'll create a chart like this with the word. Then you'll get a definition from a dictionary and do that. Then give it your best shot, what you think it. But this is your definition in your own words. So the word, dictionary definition, your own definition, and then a picture that you found to represent the word. This can be either a picture you find on the internet and put in here, or it could be a picture that you draw or something and then add in here. And then you'll go to the next word. So that would be one word in this word, and then do another row with the next word. Here are your 7 words for this week's vocabulary: temple, causeway, festival, calendar, archaeologist, pyramid, ceremonial. So my suggestion is, what you should do is create a Google Doc, and in that Google Doc then create a chart that's at least 4 columns wide and 7 rows down. So 4 by 7, and then first word, temple. In the next column, dictionary definition. In the next column, your own definition. And then 4th column is the picture. And then go to row 2, causeway. All right. And then you'll have that. You've created it as a Google Doc, and then you just, of course, put it in here where it says Dropbox in yours. We'll say Dropbox there. And that is your vocab assignment. Your other assignment, other than the quiz, of course, is a discussion board. And this discussion board's a little bit different. Just read through it. The directions are right here as well. It does say in those directions it's not due until Friday. We're actually making the due date Thursday/Sunday night. But you'll make a list of 5 images or shapes and explanations for 30 points, and then you'll reply to 2 of your classmates. And be positive replying to your classmates as you read through this, but this is a discussion board, so you'll put your post and then you'll reply to your classmates. Please use evidence and details in all of that. Okay, and then of course take the quiz for 100%. Make sure you're checking your grade book for feedback and all of that good stuff. I'm going to cut off here. Go Buffs! Big game this week. Or that just happened by the time you're watching this. It already happened. All right, great. I will talk. And let me know. I'll see some of you on Wednesday. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.